If you are getting not enough disk space while installing or playing FC26, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method 1. Disk Cleanup. When you are using not enough disk space while installing or playing FC26, check if there is not enough disk space using Disk Cleanup. Type Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and select the top option. Select the drive from where you want to clean all the junk files. Click on the OK button. Next, click on the Clean Up System Files option and the cleanup process will start. Wait till the scan completes. Once done, select the files you want to delete, then click on OK. Method 2. Clear Steam Cache. Wherever you download anything in Steam, it is stored in the Steam download cache. These downloaded files are stored until they are installed. If some of these files are missing or get corrupted, then also you can get the error message. So clear the Steam download cache and check if that helps. Open Steam as an administrator, click on the Steam tab and choose Settings. From Steam Settings, open the Downloads tab. Click on Clear Download Cache, confirm by clicking on the OK button. Wait till the process is complete. Now close all the Steam-related processes from the Task Manager. To do that, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on each Steam-related process. Select the End Task option. Once terminated all the Steam-related tasks, restart Steam as an admin and check if the problem is solved. Method 3. Delete program data. Press Windows plus R to launch the Run utility. Type %program data % and hit Enter or click on OK. Open the EA desktop folder. Then delete all the folders inside it. To do that, right-click on each folder, select Show More options, then select Delete. This should delete all the game saves but can fix the issue. Now relaunch the game and check. You can also restart the EA app and then launch the game and check if that works for you. Method 4. Run the application with administrative privileges. Right-click on the application you are using to launch the game. Next, select Show More options. Open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 5. Log out of EA account and then log in again. The next thing you can try is log out of your EA account and then log in again. To do that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the EA app homepage. Select Logout option. Then wait for some time and then log in with your account credentials. Method 6. Verify the game files. Open the Steam library, right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on the Install files and select Verify integrity of the game files. Wait till the verification process completes. Once the game is verified, relaunch the game and check. Method 7. Upgrade to a larger disk. If you frequently encounter space issues, consider upgrading to a larger drive. Back up your data to an external storage device or cloud device. Purchase and install a larger internal drive or use an external drive. Transfer your data to the new drive and reinstall the EA desktop app. Method 8. Update your Windows OS. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now check. Method 9. Close unnecessarily running programs. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window. Method 10. Uninstall and reinstall the game and EA Desktop app. Open the EA Desktop app, go to My Collection, and then click on the game you want to reinstall and then uninstall. Once uninstalled, click Install to reinstall the game. Method 11. Contact the EA support team. If the method shown could not fix the problem, you should contact the EA support team and follow instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the EA FC26 not enough disk space error. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.